Okay guys, for this ornament we will be using the Dollar Tree clear ornament. Then I got some miniature trees and some winter village, and I think I would like to use that mini camper. So the jute for the top, a little bit of lace. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but I might just at the top a little bit. And as I told you, I collect the pieces that fallen off my craft, so to decorate it at the top I might use some of these berries and some pine, and then I got some pine cones. So it should be really cute. I'm gonna try open this. I'm gonna try open it using my X-Acto knife if I find it, and it probably will be very dangerous, but I'm gonna try it because I want to do it inside. And also I'm gonna insert a fake snow in it, which is, I have it in a jar right here. So now let's work on that. Okay, it didn't work with just X-Acto knife, so I got my wood burning tool, and what I do, I'm making the little holes, and then I use my X-Acto knife to connect them to open it. So to cover all of this, I'll use my burlap, and I think it's gonna work just fine. Okay guys, I got it open. I don't want to go all the way. I got it like with the little dots, and then I use my X-Acto knife, so because I really wanted to put stuff inside and I want to use this ornament. So I guess this jute will be handy dandy. We'll kind of like wrap it around so it doesn't look that bad. So I think it's gonna be, I guess I'll need a little piece, well maybe not. Anyway, so now I'm gonna open my things, and I'm gonna use the hot glue to put my little trees in my camper inside. So I want to use 2 trees inside my snow globe. Well, it's an ornament, I guess, for this stuff together. So